Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to use live activities with Nowbar on One UI 7.0 and Android 15. Let's have a look. To check Nowbar status on Samsung Galaxy smartphone, first open Settings app on your smartphone. In Settings, scroll down and tap Lock Screen and AOD. For Android 15, you will see Now bar. Tap Now bar. Check the information you need right now and start essential features without unlocking your phone. Under Live Notifications, you will see the list of apps that will visible on Now bar. Tap View More. From here, you can turn off Now bar for the particular app. This will turn off live activities for the app. Nowbar also appears like a pill-shaped element on the top of the status bar. When you tap on it, it expands and appears on the top of the screen, just like Apple's dynamic island. So these are the steps to use live activities with Nowbar on One UI 7.0. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.